Your GoHighLevel account is full of junk and you can't even see that. There are dead tags, field nobody fills, and it's quietly making the whole thing harder for you to run. And here's the thing, you didn't do anything wrong. Every account ends up like this. I have audited 1000 plus of GoHighLevel account. You build a tag for one campaign, then forget it. You add a custom field for one form, then never touch it again. 6 months later, 100 of tags doing nothing, field connected to nothing, stuff you don't even remember creating. And here is the trap. You can't clean what you can't see. So you open up a settings to check and you give up after 10 minutes because doing it manually takes hours. So the mess just sitting there growing. And the problem was never the mess. The problem is GHL never showed it to you. So I built a Claude skill that audit your account. You hand it over your GHL account and in seconds it reads everything. The tag with 0 contacts, the custom field not attached to a single form, the field nobody used in months, and it come up with the report, one clean list. This is what dead and this is what to delete. The auditing agencies charge $1,000+ for the same, and now you can do it from just one single command. It is a difference between a setup you fight and the one you just runs. So in this video, I will be telling you how exactly you can audit your GHL account. Comment audit below and I will show you how you can run it in your GHL account. So the first what you need to do is you need to come into your Claude and install this skill GHL audit. And I have put that skill into this description in my school community where you can just go and download it for free. And now this GHL audit, I will say audit my account. Now takes two things from my end. One is my location ID and second is your API key. From that it can audit your GHL account. So first, before making it to a progress, I will go over here and how you will get your location ID and your API key. So I will go to this account. Let's say I want to audit this account. So you'll always get your location ID from here. In that URL after location, you will get your location ID. So I will say location ID, and the second is you need to go to settings, private integrations over here, create new integration, name it Claude audit. And here you can select, here you need to make sure there is a disclaimer. If you are giving an option to Claude to delete something, can delete it also, but make sure that while running a command, you are not telling to delete it blindly. And I have trained this skill. So once you tell something to get it deleted, just like you want the dead tags to get it deleted, what you will be doing is it will taking up a backup of first and then it will delete. So in case you want to recover, you can remember do it on your own rest. Now I have given all the permissions. I will go over here and click next, confirm. There is some glitch. So from here, it will generate a token. So right now I'm rotating this key and I will delete it after it's a dummy testing. And then I will go to my Claude again. This is the token, API key and location ID I want to audit. Now once you given your location ID and your token ID, and so it will do a dry run. So I am telling it to delete, so it will do a dry run again to investigate that. So that is what I have trained the skill, how exactly you can see, and it will always take a backup of all the tags. And now once it delete everything, can we use Logitech MX mouse, left button, double click and it do a different shortcut.